Good morning. I hear Mad Dog Crappie Charters out here doing a little fishing this morning. Got an old bluegill on the line. We already caught a few crappie out here this morning. Wife done got her one this morning. I think this cool weather is finally starting to bring them in here a little bit. Nice little crappie. Look at him. Water 88.2 degrees. We got a pile of fish up under us here on the forward-facing sonar. Folks, it's a beautiful day out here on this water. Y'all come on, let's get out here and get after it. They coming in here pretty good now. Well, we done foul hooked him through the belly. Hey, whatever it takes to get them in, Mad Dog's out here after them. Another pretty crappie. Old black crappie racking up this morning. I think that's getting close to 10 for us. We're out here using ACC crappie stick. Got this little nice ACC crappie stick, little 7-footer, 7.6, with a little cork handle. Got the little fluker reel on it. My wife, she's using B&M West Point. She got the Shimano 1000. Got H2O 6-pound. Just regular old Aberdeen hooks, number ones, number twos, split shot. Just out here putting minnows on, dropping them down, letting the minnows swim, do their thing. Hey, ain't nothing to it. Y'all come on out here and let's do it. Look at here where to go. We out here getting them in. Big old pretty slab. Beautiful catfish. .06, just a little over a pound. That's a big crappie just the way that. I wonder if I need to change my batteries. Yep, 1.06. That's a big old crappie right there, just the way that little bit.